What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we are headed out to a beautiful sunset shoot at another incredible California photo location. Can't wait to show you this one. Let's get it. All right, guys, so like I said, headed out to an incredible location for sunset. We got the last little bit of light here. I got Mia with me. We're headed to this really cool spot here in Santa Cruz, California, with an amazing view. I can't remember the name of the area, but I'll drop that in here at some point. But it has an incredible view of the boardwalk at sunset and kind of the surrounding area of the ocean. You can see parts of downtown Santa Cruz, a lot of the coastline. Just so much to see here, so much to get. I'm gonna try to do some cinematic shots and a little time lapse and just get some cool photos. So should be a lot of fun, should be a nice sunset too, so it should be some incredible pictures. So here we go. All right, guys, that's a wrap for another awesome location video. Didn't have a lot of time to talk and do explaining because the sunset was happening so fast. I was able to get a few time lapses, some cinematic shots, got some cool stuff there. It wasn't an epic sunset. I've got some really cool sunset shots from there, so it was a little bit of a letdown in that respect, but it's always a beautiful spot to go and check out the sunset and see one of my favorite views in Santa Cruz. And then there's views in other directions as well. There's that cliff that kind of jets out to the ocean, the beach on the other side of it. You can see the lighthouse from there as well. You can, like I said, you can see the pier, parts of downtown. There's a lot to see there. It's definitely my favorite spot. Probably one of the most, at least, you know, as far as like perspectives, probably the most diverse area that you can shoot in Santa Cruz. So I try to get it every year, try to get something special. Didn't happen this year, but I'll be back again. I don't know when, but I will be back again for sure to try to get another epic photo there. I'll share, like I said, some of the time lapses, some of the cinematic shots, or I probably have already shared them. So hopefully you guys enjoy that. If you enjoy these location videos and you want to see more, please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe on the video. That helps so much. And I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.